whether or not IEBC commissioners should vacate office, and Kenya's leader of majority in the National Assembly Aden Duale has supported proposals for the National Assembly and Senate Legal Affairs Committees to hold joint sittings to discuss the fate of the electoral body IEBC. Well, this comes even as the Deputy President William Ruto maintained that any discussions on electoral reforms must be within the legally stipulated process and respect of the Constitution.
The National Assembly's Justice and Legal Affairs Committee and the Senate's Legal Affairs and Human Rights Committee are seeking approval from speakers of both houses to hold joint sittings that might just begin the process of kicking out of office the embattled IEBC commissioners. Following the reports, IEBC commissioners on Wednesday held a crisis meeting at the Nairobi head office. Chairperson Isaac Hassan did not attend the meeting as he was said to be engaged in other official duties outside Nairobi. There are reports that the commission is divided, with some ready to dialogue on the exit strategy, while others are sticking to their guns. The IEBC Act 2011, under which the current commission was appointed, is dead, and Parliament will urgently be required to enact a new law to guide the process of appointing new commissioners after the current commissioner's term comes to an end in November 2017.
We have a lacuna in law on how, in the event even one vacancy arises, how that will be selected. We will not be very happy even with the IEBC. But our hands are tied. We must follow the law.
As much as they want to use Article 251 to stay in office, the integrity is already an issue. And the only thing they can do at that point is to step aside.
The embattled commissioners are expected to appear before the National Assembly's Justice Committee Thursday to be grilled over the National Assembly's Public Accounts Committee report that adversely mentioned some of the commissioners with regard to the purchase of electoral material and equipment that was used in the 2013 general elections. This is what Majority Leader in the National Assembly spoke of the move to have Parliament discuss the fate of IEBC.
It will give an opportunity to everybody to come and air his views. You know, out there, people are only saying disband IEBC. Then what? You know, you must give, when there's a problem, you must give solution.
I want to support the initiative and also support the initiative of dialogue, because the main problem with IEBC as currently constituted are the serious allegations which have been made against them on integrity.
Opposition leader Raila Odinga has written a letter to President Uhuru Kenyatta calling for a need for structured dialogue on various issues of national interest, including reforming the electoral body. In the letter, Raila says he regrets that the president has not responded to his request for structured dialogue 22 months down the line. Instead, Raila says he has received numerous flippant and deriding remarks from senior members of the ruling coalition who continue to belittle the challenges facing the country. The opposition wants the government to adopt the inter-parties parliamentary group approach that was once used in 1997 to settle a similar stalemate. But Duale insists that route is unlawful.
When we go to 2017, we go to Bomas. The guys of Uhuru say Uhuru has won. The guys of Raila and Kalonzo, they stand on the other side and they say, no, there was rigging. Imagine that kind of a country. There will be even more chaos than 2007.
The business community says the standoff over IEBC would affect the economy if not fixed in time. Even as the IEBC standoff continues, members of Parliament are now seized of the matter, and they'll be making several amendments to election laws to ensure that there is a level playing field ahead of the 2017 polls. Patrick Amimo, KTN News, Parliament.